Was out, so let's make a pyramid. A pyramid is a really basic shape to make in Fusion, so you're going to want to add things to it like texture, just for context to make it a little bit more interesting for you. So if you come over here, you can make this thing 50 and then hit tab, make it also 50. That's going to give you a just square. The next thing is going to be to loft a point, so we're going to just make a plane and we're going to loft it in the sky, something like 50, so this is going to be a nice regular pyramid, and we will now go in and create a sketch. So if you want a line that is going to perfectly line up with this, you should use a center point rectangle. If you don't, I need you to create a point and kind of just use your best judgment. Now that is a midpoint. It shows me that little diamond. If you don't have that, that is up here. You can click any point and make it a midpoint, but that is pretty much all I'm looking for. Now I go into loft, and when I click, loft here, I have this profile, and then the next thing I'm going to is just that point. And so that's going to make me this pyramid shape. You're going to then want to draw on these surfaces. So let's just give it an example. You can come over here to create a sketch, and you can use this tool for text. And you're just going to make like a quick, whatever it is you want to put. I'm just going to put the letter A for right now, and I'll just click Finish Sketch. And then you can actually extrude that, and it did not make it on the surface I was trying to draw on, oddly enough, so we'll try that again. Go to Create Sketch, and then come over here to Text, make a little text box, try A one more time, hopefully this goes where I want it to. Yep, this time it does. Click Finish Sketch, and now I can extrude that directly off of the surface, either in or out. So I'm just going to go out. And now I have an A on top of that surface, but you could do things on all sides. You can also mirror these. You can make really interesting dice, whatever else you're interested in.